It's the most wonderful time of the year. What's going on, guys? Ian Costello, back to the video. And it is December 10th, 2018, 7:45 a.m. I haven't done a proper like high school vlog without football in over, what has it been, since May. So we're getting to it, baby. So back to the OG date, and a lot more coming, bro. A lot more coming now that stuff is a little more stationary. So let's get it. Oh, cleaning her up down there. Yup, watch this parking job. Whoa, one-hander. Oh, that takes years of practice. Busted out the Hardens today, and it's snowing a little bit in the sky. It's snowing, bro. Ah, you can't see it on cam. Beautiful day. They didn't check. All right, big boy, you can go down. And send him down. And like crushed into her. Dude, where's the friction? Ew, feel. Then you just gotta do extra. Champion. ACL alert. Oh, yes, yes, yes. My high score is yes.
Oh wait, or no.
Yeah.
Do you have anything that we need to do right now? Sprite cranberry. Dude, we did get him at the end.
Is it due beginning?
He's like, he was dancing. And let me know in the comments below, Hardens or New Balance. I belong. See if I can get it through the cam. Tennis shoe Hardens, baby. Alright, what's going on, guys? It is, what, 2 days later now, because the next day I had a doctor's appointment, so didn't film that, obviously. Just an ACL follow-up, it's looking good, no worries. But it's a snowy 2-hour delay. Walking in right now, beautiful day. Look at the snow falling. I love it, bro.
Fucking camera.
What's up, pussy?
Fucking camera.
Fight me, Kevon.
Would go into your elbow.
I guess I like can't erase this.
Here we got Lonzo, the whole crew. What the? Ew. Rattlesnake. Pick number 2, bada-ba-doo. High five, Martin. Yeah. Lincoln, let me see yours. Yeah.
You should be able to alter
The Great Wave plus ya boy. Oh, don't mind if I do. Oh. And then Brat's still doing his. Vernon. Oh, I got a better one. Alright, guys, we're in business right now with Lamb. Got the whole crew, got starting quarterback Asa Carlson, champion. We got everybody in here, dude.
Right, Aiden? Mini fridge is the new Bitcoin. We're having a competition. Whoever keeps their hand on the mini fridge the longest gets to keep it. I'm getting attention for that.
Yeah.
Who's working on paper boxes over there?
Oh!
That was your chance, dude. You. One bite.
Cam, the camera's on.
Camera's on. Woo! Big Chomsky.
Wow.
Big Chomsky.
What do we have here? Little Chief Force Ones at your service. Go for the mic, here you go.
Are you ready?
Yeah, dude, go. You're so bad. You cannot juggle, dude. That was too close. Alright, man, just got out of school. Easy money, nothing crazy. These 2-hour delay days are quick as hell. You can't even see me, dude. But, yeah, man. It's already like, sun's already setting, dude. Kind of a short day, because that 2-hour delay, as I said, OP. But, yeah, man, just gonna go home, maybe edit this a little bit. Who knows, who knows? Good morning, guys. It's the next day, and oh my God, it is cold. Look at this, dude. It is like, it's like negative something, dude. Freezing, dog. Oh my God. I had to scrape, dude. I'm shaking. A nice sunny morning, but it is cold AL.
No, dude, 100 IQ, Colby.
It is one.
What is that? A snow biome? Stacks in the mood. Yup. Dude, what? What is that? Yeah, photo shoot time. No way. No way. Squirrel does a push-up.
Rates may rise in the future.
Like that giant wave over there?
Oh, surf's up. Later, dude.
Dude, I bet he's gonna get what? Which one? What I said?
Yeah, it's like that's real life. That's what that's
Yeah, kind of deserves it.
Shake his hand.
What is that?
Shake his hand.
She came through. Look at that, dude. That's sick. Use code Costello for 0% off. So I'm just playing my team, you know, casually. Signing this GM. Dude, that is Jeremy Lin. What the hell? They used his face. You know we taking him though. Accept it, baby. Look at this Knicks team real quick. Not bad, not bad. Well, I'll tell you how it's looking at the end, bro. This is, you already know, baby. We traded for that Hawks pick, baby. Got Zion. Hopefully we can get RJ as well, but Cleveland's drafting. Let's see. Oh, you know what that means. Duke's going top 3, baby, because we're about to pick RJ Barrett. Let's get it. RJ Barrett. Welcome to New York, baby. Game 7 in the Garden. RJ Barrett drives on Kyrie. Gets in there, bro, with 1 second remaining. Let's go. This team is raw. Oh my god, 121, 120. Sorry, Kyrie. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it, baby. Second year. We win the Chizzy. Looks like Zion, I think. I think Zion's holding it. Yep. Zion held the trophy. Who's getting MVP? Zion gets it, bro, and Kristaps holds the trophy next to him. Tight game right now. Going for the win. Here we go, Chargers. Got it, baby. Sorry, Chief. Alright, good morning, guys. It's 7:40 a.m. I gotta get this thing going. But you know, bro, I'm wearing... You know, bro, I'm gonna just flex on him. Hit him with the foams. Alright. Face and war. We're going into pixel mode.
We gotta lower the PX. It's too big.
Here's the finished product. Do. Oh. Championes.
Right there.
Run.
It's not letting me.
No. Yeah.
Matt, are those some new kicks?
Attention, please. Budget of the party based on the amount of
Ball and it's already rushing over.
Yup.
This is the whip. You hate to see it. You hate to see it. This is the whip.
What do we got in here, Liam? Naked? What is that? Peanut butter? Oh yeah, let me get the rims expended.
Hold on, let me wipe off the Subi mark.
Subi.
Oh yeah.
Dude, do you mind popping the hood for me real
Get
quick?
some footage of this, dude. My newspaper.
Ew, that's...
Liam
Are you in
Foley
that?
smashed a 2-run homer to lead Lamoille to a season sweep at Enosburg.
We are.
Where's informal?
We're giving you the $1.
MIA.
What are you doing? I was gonna pay him right
Where's Cam?
MIA.
Where's Eli?
MIA.
Are you serious?
Andy outside.
Andy, these are perfect seats.
Eat out.
Well, then eat the car. Oh shit, it's fucking wet. I ain't afraid no ghost. Open room, no problem. What are they gonna do? What's the worst that could happen? This is about to get fixed instantly, watch this. Don't look at my email. Dude looks like a lady. If anyone wants some syrup, Kurt's maple syrup, baby. Kurt, how much? 20 bucks. 12 a pint. Kurt, who should we contact? What's your...
It says it right there. It's kurtsyrup@gmail.com.
Kurtsyrup@gmail.com.
Damn, dude, that's so
Kurt, do it, dude. If you pass the bunk bed, I'll give you my phone. Oh, you're bad.
Actually?
Yeah. That's not it, that's not it.
Why does it go up like that? Oh my god, I almost passed the bunk bed.
Ready? Here it is, here it is.
20,000 from that.
Here it is. I'm playing it through the camera. Oh my god, the frame rate's so bad. I'm gonna have to look over it. Okay. Come on, come on. My camera's gonna die, but it's worth it. If I can pass this bunk bed. There it is. There's the bunk bed. No! What the hell? Where'd you go? You glitched out the game. You're in third.
I had nothing going on today, so I didn't feel like coming.
Jake, what's your
I
build?
had on my test yesterday. Glass cleaner. We had the same build, remember?
Oh, that's right. Dude, what is this? Is it chocolate or steak? Ew, what is that actually?
I don't know.
I can't tell.